Lil Demon, and we're about to find out why. From Ewa Beach, Hawaii, please welcome 7-year-old Angelo Baligad.
Chick walks by you, wish she could sex her, but standing on the wall like he was punching. Next day function, high class munching, food is served and you're stone cold munching. Music comes on, people start to dance, but then they ate so much you can skip your phone. A girl starts walking, guys start walking, sits down next to you and starts walking. Says she wanna dance because she likes the boots. Come on back, so I wanna just bust the move. Just bust the move.
Can you talk after doing something like that, or are you out of breath? Out of breath. Yeah, you should be. That's amazing. How long have you been dancing?
I've been dancing for 3 years.
3 years? Well, you're really good. I've been dancing longer than that, and I can't do that. And I heard you have a girlfriend.
Yes.
Yeah?
Her name is Shy, and she's 1 year older than me.
She's 1 year older than you. Oh, she's a cougar. Hey, what's your favorite toy?
SpongeBob.
That's what I heard. So you know what we're going to do? Because we like to give you gifts. I like to do that for people. Our friends over at Nickelodeon want to give you all of these SpongeBob SquarePants toys, and all of these are your gifts. Show not too long ago.